we are at InKnowvation Small Business Fridays. I'm Gaynell Marshall. I'm so honored to be your host for the set that takes place in Barbados.
Introducing our keynote speaker, Alison Hinds, recording artist, activist, motivational speaker, and entrepreneur.
As you can see, we have an iceberg. Now, why the iceberg? Well, what's under the water is the stuff that people don't see. That's all the ups and downs and the trials and tribulations that you go through to get to the point, which of course is above the water, which is climbing up the top of that iceberg. Have that belief in yourself.
Now, join us in a conversation with Tamara Gibson.
So tell our small business owners how they too can use digital to help not only enhance their business, but really propel it to the next level.
Well, if you think of digital firstly as creating a brand awareness, then you recognize that that's actually the first step in any customer journey.
Take part in our breakout workshops and elevate your hustle. These 4 interactive sessions are each led by a subject matter expert to provide small business owners with the expertise they need to make the most of digital tools and technologies for the benefit of their business.
Helping to empower small and medium-sized businesses to grow in the digital age. And today's kickoff, it certainly provided us with some great and valuable insights. How about leveraging the synergies that you heard and creating new opportunities and then sustaining the momentum?